Hi there and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial, where today I'm going to be teaching you Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to look at exercise number 2, which says, for the following, identify if the polynomial is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of the above. So again, a monomial has one term because mono means one. A binomial has two different terms because bi means two. Trinomial has three terms, and none of the above would be anything with four terms or more. So let's take a look at part A. And we have 2x minus 5. So 2x is one term. The minus 5 is another term. Can they be combined? And the answer is no. So it's always going to be two terms. So that's going to make that a binomial because two terms is called a binomial. Then we have 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. And are any of these like terms? Can we combine any of these? And x squareds can't be combined with x's. X's can't be combined with constants. So we cannot combine any of those. So we have 1, 2, 3 terms. So that's going to be a trinomial for 3 terms. And we have 4x squared minus 16. And again, you can't combine x's with constants. So we're going to leave that as two terms. The 4x squared is one term, and the 16 is the second term. So that's going to be a binomial. For part D, we only have an 8. So it's only one term right there, and a one term is called a monomial. Now we have an expression that says 4x plus 3x. And you might look at that and say, oh, okay, it's two terms, but 4x and 3x are like terms. So we can actually combine 4x plus 3x and we get 7x, and 7x is a monomial because that's an expression with one term. Then we have x to the third plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 7, and that has all different terms. None of them are like terms because we have x to the thirds, x squareds, x's, and constants. So this is going to be none of the above because we don't have a word up here for what a four-term expression is called. So none of the above for part F. For part G, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. And again, none of these are like terms. So we're left with one term of x squared, one term of 6x, and one term of 9. That's 1, 2, 3 terms. So that's going to be a trinomial. Here we have 4 times 2x. And now all these other ones had adding and subtracting. Now this has multiplying, and we are able to multiply 4 times 2x. And when we do so, we get 8x. And 8x is just one term, and an expression with one term is called a monomial. And finally, on part I, we have x to the fourth minus 81. And we definitely cannot combine those two terms. So we have x to the fourth as one term, 81 is the second term. So that's going to make part I a binomial. So here we classified these 9 different exercises as a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of the above. And if this video is helpful for explaining why each of these was one of those, then please give it a thumbs up. And you're now ready for our next exercise in this lesson. Thank you for watching.